The 2025 Toyota Highlander Hybrid is set to continue Toyota's legacy of offering fuel-efficient, family-friendly, and technologically advanced SUVs. In this talk, I'll cover a range of topics from its expected design, powertrain, fuel efficiency, to interior features and technology that make the 2025 Highlander Hybrid a standout in its segment. Design and exterior. Toyota has always maintained a balance between ruggedness and modern appeal with its Highlander lineup, and the 2025 Hybrid is no exception. The exterior design is expected to be a seamless evolution of its predecessors but with more refined and aerodynamic lines. Toyota might enhance the front grille for a more aggressive look, similar to the current trends in the SUV market. This would be complemented by sharper LED headlights and redesigned bumpers to make the Highlander appear sleeker and more upscale. We can also expect the 2025 model to feature a more aerodynamic body. Given the push toward fuel efficiency, manufacturers are always looking to reduce drag and improve the vehicle's overall aerodynamics. This not only benefits fuel economy but also provides a quieter ride, which is something that many families and long-distance travelers value in an SUV. The Highlander Hybrid might come with a range of wheel sizes, starting from 18-inch wheels on lower trims to up to 20 inches on premium trims, offering both style and practicality. The hybrid variant will most likely have subtle, hybrid, badges and blue accents on the logo to distinguish it from the non-hybrid versions. Overall, the 2025 model is likely to maintain the Highlander's signature look but with some modern tweaks to stay competitive with other midsize SUVs like the Ford Explorer Hybrid and Honda Pilot Hybrid. Powertrain and performance. The 2025 Toyota Highlander Hybrid is expected to continue using a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine paired with two electric motors. Together, these components are likely to produce around 243 horsepower, which is adequate for both city driving and highway cruising. The hybrid setup is one of Toyota's most reliable and proven technologies, ensuring smooth acceleration and seamless transitions between gas and electric power. What's notable about the Highlander Hybrid is how well it balances power with fuel efficiency. The electric motors will kick in during low-speed driving or when extra power is needed for acceleration, while the gasoline engine takes over on highways or when more sustained power is required. The transition between the two power sources is often barely noticeable, a testament to Toyota's expertise in hybrid technology. This powertrain will also likely include an electronically controlled continuously variable transmission (ECVT), which maximizes fuel efficiency by keeping the engine in the optimal power band. As a result, the Highlander Hybrid is expected to deliver impressive fuel economy numbers, likely around 35 to 36 miles per gallon (mpg) in combined city and highway driving. This fuel efficiency is one of the key selling points of the hybrid, especially for families looking to reduce fuel costs without sacrificing space or performance. In addition to fuel efficiency, the 2025 Highlander Hybrid is expected to offer an all-wheel drive AWD option. Toyota's AWD system uses an electric motor on the rear axle to provide power to all four wheels when extra traction is needed. This system is beneficial for drivers who face snowy, wet, or off-road conditions, ensuring that the Highlander remains capable across various terrains. Driving dynamics. While the Highlander Hybrid isn't marketed as a performance SUV, it is designed to provide a comfortable and composed ride. The suspension will likely be tuned for comfort, absorbing bumps and rough roads with ease, making it a perfect vehicle for families who prioritize comfort on long drives. The electric motor's instant torque gives the Highlander a bit more pep during low-speed acceleration, which is particularly useful for city driving and merging onto highways. Steering is expected to be light but precise, making it easy to maneuver for its size, and the SUV will likely feel stable and secure in various driving conditions. Interior and cabin features. Moving inside, the 2025 Toyota Highlander Hybrid will continue to impress with its family-oriented design and high-quality materials. Expect seating for 7 or 8 passengers, depending on whether you choose the second row captain's chairs or a bench seat. The interior layout is expected to be spacious, especially in the first 2 rows, with plenty of legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers. Toyota might offer different materials depending on the trim level, ranging from soft touch plastics and fabric upholstery in the lower trims to leather seats and wood accents in the higher trims. Comfort features such as heated and ventilated front seats, a panoramic sunroof, and tri-zone climate control will likely be available on higher trims, providing a more luxurious experience. The Highlander Hybrid is also expected to have a generous cargo capacity, especially when the third row seats are folded down. While the third row may remain best suited for children or shorter adults on longer journeys, it's still a useful feature for larger families. The versatility of the interior space, with multiple storage compartments and flexible seating configurations, makes the Highlander ideal for families on the go. Technology and infotainment. In terms of technology, the 2025 Toyota Highlander Hybrid will feature Toyota's latest infotainment system. A large touchscreen, likely *12.3 inches or bigger, will be standard on most trims, featuring Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa integration. The system is expected to be user-friendly, with responsive touch controls, crisp graphics, and easy connectivity with smartphones. Higher trims might offer premium audio systems like a JBL sound system for enhanced sound quality. Wireless charging pads, multiple USB ports, and Bluetooth connectivity will make it easy for everyone to stay connected and charged during long trips. Toyota is also known for its comprehensive suite of safety features, and the 2025 Highlander Hybrid will continue this tradition. The Toyota Safety Senses package will be standard, which includes features like pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, adaptive cruise control, lane tracing assist, road sign assist. Additional safety features like a 360-degree camera, parking sensors, and blind spot monitoring with rear cross traffic alert will likely be available on higher trims. These technologies help ensure that the Highlander is one of the safest vehicles in its class, making it an attractive option for safety-conscious families. Environmental and sustainability focus. With the automotive industry shifting toward more environmentally friendly technologies, the Highlander Hybrid is Toyota's effort to offer a greener option in the midsize SUV market. By combining the fuel efficiency of a hybrid with the practicality and comfort of a large SUV, the Highlander Hybrid appeals to environmentally conscious drivers who still need the space and capabilities of a family vehicle. While the 2025 model may not yet be a plug-in hybrid or fully electric, Toyota's efforts to refine their hybrid technology mean the vehicle will still significantly reduce emissions compared to a traditional gas-only SUV. Given the global push toward reducing carbon footprints, this hybrid powertrain makes the Highlander a more sustainable choice without sacrificing the convenience and comfort that families expect. Pricing and competitors. In terms of pricing, the 2025 Toyota Highlander Hybrid is expected to start around $42,000 for the base trim and go up to $52,000 or more for the higher trims. While this price range might be higher than some traditional gas-powered SUVs, the hybrid powertrain offers savings in fuel costs over the long term. Competitors like the Ford Explorer Hybrid *, Kia Sorento Hybrid *, and Honda Pilot Hybrid will provide stiff competition, but Toyota's reputation for reliability and the Highlander's blend of features, fuel efficiency, and safety make it a strong contender in the midsize hybrid SUV market. Conclusion. The 2025 Toyota Highlander Hybrid is set to be a practical, efficient, and tech-savvy SUV that caters to families looking for space and fuel economy. Its well-rounded features, excellent safety ratings, and Toyota's proven hybrid technology make it one of the top choices for a hybrid SUV in 2025. The 2025 Toyota Highlander Hybrid is set to be a practical, efficient, and tech-savvy SUV that caters to families looking for space and fuel economy. Its well-rounded features, excellent safety ratings, and Toyota's proven hybrid technology make it one of the top choices for a hybrid SUV in 2025. Before I dive deeper into the next section, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. By subscribing to my channel, you'll stay updated on all the latest automotive reviews, news, and exciting content like this. And don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss out on new uploads.